So left side if you see, we can see the apt commands, and right side we can see the yum commands. So almost both are same, only thing is here we are using apt and here we are using yum, and one command like apt show it is available, and here yum list is available. So few differences we can see, but remaining almost both are same. Always we need to remember under which operating system we are working. Based on that we need to use these commands. So here we can see apt install the package name. What are the package name you want to install? You can install the package names. You can install the packages. So let's connect first, discuss about the Ubuntu, and then we'll go to the Red Hat or Amazon Linux machine, and then we'll execute yum commands over there. So first let's connect to the Ubuntu machine. So as of now I connected to the Ubuntu machine. So here whenever we want to install any packages, just we can use apt install and the package name, like you want to install Java or any FTP package or any NFS package, HTTP package, what are the packages you want to install in Linux, you can able to install. But always remember few packages names will be different. For example, if you want to configure your Linux server as a web server means hosting a website. So here in Ubuntu, we use Apache 2. This is a package name we install to make this server as a web server. But whereas in Red Hat or CentOS or Amazon Linux, there you use package name as an HTTPD. So this is the package name we need to install. Some packages names will be different compared to Ubuntu and Debian flavors, and some packages names will be different in the Red Hat, CentOS or Amazon Linux kind of flavors. Okay, so as of now I connected to this Ubuntu machine, but first of all, how I know whether this is a Ubuntu machine, Red Hat machine or CentOS? So you can just go with the cat etc os release. So here you can able to see the OS name. So this is called Ubuntu. So based on that you can proceed further. So now I want to install the package called tmux, apt install tmux, and now if I type execute, enter, now it is showing tmux is already installed the latest version, so already it is available. So now we can go with the some other version. So now let's do apt install apache 2. So this is a package I want to install. Now I hit enter. It is checking, do you want to install? So always it will ask for the confirmation, do you want to continue? But before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, I asked for only Apache 2 package. But if you see here, suggested packages, Apache 2 dog, Apache 2 su exe, and lot of libraries, it is going to be installed. So why it is installing these packages? Why? Because Apache is expecting this package because as a dependency. Without these packages, Apache is not going to work. So that is the beauty of this apt command. So automatically it will check the dependencies and it will install the dependency packages also along with the main package. So that is an advantage. So now you can press yes, and the total size it will show here, and how many packages are it is going to be installed, everything it will provide you the information. So you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. So the packages are getting installed. The package has been installed. Now once it is installed, you can see apt show apache 2. So you can see the package information. So this is a command we executed, this is a package, and the version of this apache, whatever the version it is installed, and all this information it is showing here. So installed size you can able to see here, everything, the complete information about that package, the size and the status of that package, everything it is going to show, and the information what is the purpose of this package. If you see the Apache HTTP server, so this is going to work as an web server. So this way we can able to install the packages. So what are the package you want to install, you just need to know the name and then apt install and the package name, or else sometimes you need to use apt install like apache 2 -y you can give, you can like provide confirmation. It is not going to prompt you to provide yes, so you can directly give -y over here, so that automatically it will go and install. So this way you can able to install the packages, and you can remove the packages also, like apt I'll remove tmux package, and same way I use apt and the option is remove the package name whatever you want to remove, and I'm going to hit enter, and now it is showing that this is the size of this package, and it is asking for the confirmation. You want to remove it? Yes, I want to remove it. Yes, I can able to remove. So the package has been removed. So this way we can able to remove the packages in case if we are not using any packages in that particular machine. So now what is the next command we can see? Apt update. Apt update is a command. When I hit enter apt update, so it is showing some URLs. So what is these URLs? And one more thing I would like to tell you, whenever I type apt install and the package name, package is getting installed. From where it is getting installed, right? So generally in our Windows laptop, we want to install any software. What we'll do, we connect to the internet and we'll search for respective software and we'll install it and then we'll execute it. Now here I'm just using apt install in the package name from where it is getting downloaded and installed. So by default, every machine is going to have a Linux machines is going to have a repositories. So those repositories contains all these packages. So now whenever I hit apt install package, backend what it will do, it will go to one location, etc apt. This is a location, and inside this you can see one file called sources list. If I open this file sources.list, here you can see some URLs. If you see here, these are the URLs. What is this URL? These are the repositories. So Amazon is providing you, this is the location of the, I created this instance virtual machine inside the AWS. So AWS is providing all those packages of related to this Ubuntu software inside these locations. So whenever I type apt install the package name, it will come here to this file sources.list and it will go and connect to these sources. So these are called repositories. So all the content of this Ubuntu latest, whenever the Ubuntu releases the latest software, that will be available inside these URLs also, which is providing by the Amazon AWS. So whenever we type the package to install, it will come and connect to these URLs, and from there it will download into your local machine. So always remember, if your machine doesn't have internet service, then it cannot go outside and connect to these repositories to download the packages. So that is always required. Your machine should have internet access, then only it will connect to these repositories and it will download the respective packages. And if you see here, so now we talk about apt update. What it will do, whenever we do this wherever the this repositories URLs are available inside the sources.list, it will also go and get the latest updates available and keep it in the index. So whenever we type any package is available or searching for any package or we trying to install any package, it will go and check here. So and this repository also will get update from some other repositories like Ubuntu. So from Ubuntu directly it will get the packages and save it in these indexes, and whenever we type apt install or apt search any package name, it will get that information. So very frequently whenever we are trying to install any packages, then always we should use apt update, so that these repositories also will get up to date from their source. So that is the advantage of this apt update command. And what else commands we have in the apt upgrade and the package name. So what we do with the apt upgrade? So apt upgrade. So apt upgrade, and if you give any package name, then that particular package will be upgraded. Like if I show you apt show Apache 2, so it was showing the version of this particular package. So 2.4.41 is the latest version of this Apache 2. Assume this package was installed very long ago and it was running with some 2.3 or 2.2, then we can update it with the apt upgrade and the package name. What are the package you want to upgrade to the latest versions available inside the repositories. Or else if you don't give any package name, then if you just type apt upgrade, then automatically it will check in your operating system total how many packages are there, and from those packages which packages are ready available to upgrade, then it will check in the repositories and it will upgrade all those packages. So this is how in the real world regularly, previously as a Linux administrators used to do this Linux patching to each and every machines. They used to be like automated way to do the patching, but every Linux admin used to patch their Linux machines to keep it up to date. So that is the purpose of apt upgrade. So these are the apt commands which we use in the Ubuntu or Debian or Linux Mint flavors, so that we can install, remove or upgrade the software packages inside the Ubuntu or Debian machines. We'll meet in the next video to discuss on the Red Hat or Amazon Linux machine. Bye for now.